If you are willing to relocate down to the UK or you're already in the UK, this is an opportunity for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some charity companies here in the UK that the application form is currently open for 2025/2026 that you can easily apply to, and you can easily move to the UK with your family. If you're in the UK as well, you're looking for a new visa sponsorship, you can as well apply with this charity company and they can easily sponsor your visa. This charity visa is same thing as tier 5 visa. If you want to know more about charity visa, you can easily check these my videos on YouTube, so it can easily help you to understand what charity visa or tier 5 visa is all about. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Mimi, and on this platform I share updates about visa sponsorship jobs that can help you relocate down to the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, scholarship opportunities. And if you're in the UK as well, you're looking for opportunity, you're looking for visa sponsorship jobs, I share updates on this platform that can help you to get a visa sponsorship to remain here in the UK. I'm going to be taking you through how you can fill your application form for this opportunity. If you have anybody that is willing to relocate down to the UK or they are already in the UK looking for sponsorship, share this video with them, share to group, let people benefit from this video. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right in. Very first company I'll be sharing with you is Elia Community Trust. This trust provide care for young adults with special needs. So if you are looking for opportunities like this, I will advise you to grab it. They are recruiting from any country, so you can benefit from this opportunity. You can easily read through everything on their platform, as they will be providing with every support you need to relocate down to the UK if you get shortlisted. You can see what they do. They contribute values to people's life, autism, living difficulties, and so on. They have very large facilities in the UK, from gym to shops to community that you can benefit from. So if you want to apply with them, click on the 3 lines up there. If you click on that 3 lines, you will see all the details that comes with it. You will see home, provision, admissions, facilities, approach, about. You will see work with us as well. So if you see that work with us, all you need to do is to click on that work with us. If you click on that work with us, you will see vacancies. You don't have any business with vacancy. You don't have any business. All you are concerned about is international volunteers. Click on that international volunteers because you are applying from outside the UK. So if you click on it, it's to bring you to this section. They don't even care about your experience or anything. They are really looking for people that are committed, people that are willing to care, that are compassionate about other people. Those are the kind of people they are looking for. If you read through all these things on the platform, you will see volunteers provide our residents with opportunities of meeting other young people from across the world and offering vulnerable peer support, friendship, and all that. You can see everything on their platform. If you are looking for how you can understand what their platform is all about, it is written boldly on their platform. So if you want to apply with them, if you scroll up down to this section, you will see, please go to our international volunteers vacancy page to find how to apply. So all you need to do, click on that, click on it. You can see it has like an underline. Click on it. If you click on it, it will bring you down to this section, international volunteer vacancies. So all you need to do is to scroll up. We have opportunities for friendly, caring international volunteers, for you to know that this company are recruiting international people down to the UK from any country you are. If you scroll up down to this section, you will see apply now. You will see their contact details, their email address. You will see volunteer application form and information for volunteer. So what we are concerned about is the volunteer application form. All you need to do now, click on that volunteer application form. If you click on it, it will bring you to this section. Click on download. Once you click on download, then the application will automatically download on your phone. Click on that blue round dot up here, right, that is pointing down. If you click on that arrow, you can see it at the top. You will see hide distribution items, download. Click on downloads. If you click on download, you will see volunteer application form. That is the form you just download right now. This form, it will ask you to put your name as it appears on your passport. You can see I've always been saying this. Make sure you are writing your name as it appears on your passport. So if they want to relocate you down, they won't be saying it is Olusoji Taiwo that apply, but now Taiwo Olusoji is on your passport. So make sure it is corresponding with what you have on your passport. All these things is very easy to fill. If you are a Mimi's Connect, you already know how to fill all this form. So I'm not going to be filling this form. I'm just going to explain to you what you need to know. I'm not going to explain because I don't want this video to be too long. So this form is not really serious. Just fill it correctly. You need to save this form to your file so it will be easy for you to see. So click on that arrow up there. If you click on that arrow, you will see save to files. Click on that save to file. If you click on it, you can change the name or you can just leave it as volunteer application form. Just leave like that and save it. Once you are done saving it, you can easily see this on your file when you go to open your file app on your phone. So that's already saved. So I would advise that you download this information for volunteer as well. Just download it and save it to your file, just the way we've done for the application form. So you can easily read this at your free time, so you can understand in case they call you for an interview, you already have that information at hand. This is the information for volunteer for this company. Everything is written on that form, so you understand everything: their company, what they do, how they do things, what they care about. Everything is on that information form. So you just need to read it so you can understand everything. In case they ask you any question, what do we expect from you? Previous experience is not required. You can see they don't care about your experience. They are looking for people that are compassionate, people that are pleasant, sociable in nature, people that are caring. That is what they are looking for. So you have nothing to worry about. All you need to do is to convince them enough that you are caring and you love to care for people so they can shortlist you for the opportunity. The next company I'm going to be sharing with you is Human Relief Foundation. This foundation as well take international people down to the UK. They will help you to relocate down to the UK. So if you want to apply with them, it is very easy and straightforward as well. I would advise you to read about these companies on their website, get to know what they do, because I know that some of you will not read about them. All you want to do is to apply. If they call you for an interview now and they ask you that you should mention some values about them, you don't know it because you not read about them. So I would advise that you read about them, because I won't go too deep into it. I don't want this video to be too long. If you want to apply with them, click on get involved at that top part. If you click on it, you will see volunteer, you will see fundraise for us event. All you are concerned about is volunteer. Click on that volunteer. If you click on it, it will bring you to this next section. You can see volunteer. They recruit people from different parts of the world. So if you want to apply with them, just scroll up. You will see everything you need to know about volunteering for them. Read about all these things, because I won't go into it. I don't want this video to be too long. So please and please read about it. In case you are shortlisted for interview, it won't be too hard for you to answer those questions. So you can read about them. They are looking for dedicated team who can volunteer and care for people. So they help people with different opportunity, different supports. So they are looking for compassionate people. So if you want to apply with them, if you scroll up, you will get to this volunteer form. Put your name correctly on this form. This one you don't need to download it, just fill the form and submit it there. Your address, you don't need to change this Bradford, because that's the location. Just leave it that way. Put your email address, your phone number. Make sure your country code is in front of your phone number, so they will know the exact country you are calling from. So you are going to tick the box that really perfect to you, how they should contact you, maybe through email or SMS. I will advise to pick email, because it will be very good for you. Then once you are done filling this form, you can easily submit. What would you be interested in if you join them? Collection, events, you can pick anyone, you can even pick everything. So then once you are done with that, you can submit this application, and that is you done. And they are going to get back to you as soon as possible once they are able to get your application. All you need to do, those companies I've mentioned, type their name on your browser and apply directly, just the way I've explained on that video. I'm sure you already know how to download your form and how to navigate their website. At this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to give this video a thumbs up. Before you forget, quickly hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, guys. You can easily connect with me on all my social medias, Instagram, TikTok, and most importantly, here on YouTube, so you don't miss all of my upcoming videos. If you have anyone that are willing to relocate down to the UK, this is an opportunity for them. Share this video with them, share to WhatsApp group, let them benefit from this opportunity. Don't fall victim of scam. People are falling victim of scams, and I've been seeing a lot of videos everywhere. On this platform, we share free information. Stay tuned on a platform where you can get free information, solid information. So guys, stay beautiful, stay fabulous, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.